Early morning here. My kid missed the bus this morning. Seems the bus came a little earlier than it should, so I had to drop him off. This is where he goes to school, middle school. It's Friday, last day of school. You can see the bus there. Some parents dropping off their kids. Another bus coming late here. It's early morning Friday. Again, this is the last day of school in December 2023. Join me here. I'm gonna drive back home. It's December, it's raining. We should be having snow, but instead, because it's warm, we are having rain. What are you doing today, Friday? Leave a comment, let me know. This is Jacob and Dad channel. Thank you so much for joining me here. If there's a first time for you to visit, smash that like button and subscribe. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. Continue supporting our channel. This drive is about 5 miles from school to home, so it's not a long drive. See people walking. That's a water tower for the University of Minnesota. They call it U of M. That's a campus. You can see a person walking over there. Right now, as you can see, it's 37 degrees. You can see home is about 10 minutes from here. From school is about 15 minutes. place over there. Christmas will be on Monday, so a couple days. I want to wish you a happy Christmas in whatever you'll be doing. Thank you so much for joining. If you want, you can give us a like. You can also subscribe. We'll see you on the next video. Take care of yourself. Take care of those you love. Spread love to the world. Peace out.